guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a Galaxy inspired makeup look, and because I'm going to be using liquid lipsticks, I'm going to be applying something to moisturize my lips beforehand. Alright, so first thing I'm going to be doing is applying this white iridescent shade to the eyelid. Wow, that was a lot. And we're going to be building over that. And you know what, it's okay if it doesn't look perfect. This is supposed to be kind of galactic, out there, kind of messy anyways. Next I'm going to go in with this reddish pink color, and I'm going to place that on the inner area of the eyes. And next we'll go in with our purple. On the outer corner, we are going to be using some black. And I'm just going to clean up my under eye area with some concealer, but I will be back. Alright, now for the fun part, the highlighter, I'm taking this... Okay, well that just fell out. I'm taking this MAC Cosmetics highlighter, and I'm just really going in there with it to zhuzh up the face. And I'm going to be taking that same red shade and applying that as well, and up and around the cheekbones. Might do a couple of layers. Ready to go in on the nose. And then we're going to take a little tiny bit of the black to really spice that up. And I am going to work on blending that in, and then I will be back to do lips. Okay, for the lips, I'm going to be taking this black on the outside with the blue on the inside, and then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it all together. Alright, so I went ahead and finished the look off camera. I ended up doing just a simple black waterline and then some white on the wing because I thought it could use a little bit of some white for stars. And then I also applied this iridescent lip plumping top coat from Ulta. This one is in the shade Divine. And this is the final look. I'll try to get in some natural light so that you guys can really see it. Well, that's not really gonna happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you guys were able to do this one as well. But I will see you in the next video. Bye.